Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So today we have a new review for these pedals from Cube. They are called Cube RFR. They're made in Germany and the material is pure aluminum. It has these silver pins which are not very sharp. They are quite nice with your shoes. They won't damage your shoes, unlike some other pedals that personally I've used in the past. Cheaper ones from AliExpress which had extremely sharp pins. So I got rid of those and I got this one. Now the size is great for me. They're quite wide. They spin freely. They don't make any sound, they don't have any play, and yeah, overall they feel like they're very good quality. This one is painted in black. I've just rubbed it on concrete once, and paint got faded a bit here. So I guess in time, in maybe 1-2 years, it won't look as new, but yeah, for now they work great. Even after the small damage, it still works perfectly. They're quite comfortable when riding. From what I've noticed, even after 1 hour, 2 hours of riding, I don't feel any pain. So if you plan to buy something like this, I would recommend them. Maybe rate them to 9 out of 10. I'm not sure what else to expect from some pedals, but yeah, I just don't have much to complain about these ones. They're also very light. I think they have 20 grams each pedal, maybe even lower. I think it's like 180 grams each pedal. Also a little bit of damage here, but it works fine. So far I've used them for about 2 months, and as I said, I have nothing to complain. Good pedals. The only problem is that they're a bit expensive. I paid for these ones about 45 euros, I think, and I haven't bought them from a store. I just bought them from a person, but they were new. I think they go like 55 to 60 euros on a bicycle store, but they're a good investment. If you don't want any troubles with the pedals, definitely get something like this. Or even better, if you can afford, from Dartmoor or I don't know, Specialized. But yeah, these ones are very nice. Alright, so this was the review. I hope that this video helped you to make an idea of how they look. If you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.